We're in the heart of Melbourne's CBD Flinders Street Station, and after a long night of hitting the books, I'm going to show you just how quick the commute is from here to Glenferrie Station, which is just around the corner from Swinburne's Hawthorn campus. It's about a 10-minute journey from here, and my next class is in 30 minutes, so that's plenty of time. Oh, I think I can hear the Belgrave or Lilydale line arriving now. Actually, I think that's my stomach. I skipped breakfast this morning, but luckily I came a little bit prepared. I'm Christina, and this is Commuter Kitchen, Swinburne's guide to 10-minute recipes for meals on the commute. Let's go! Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious bowl of peanut butter instant noodles during the quick commute from Flinders Street to Swinburne's Hawthorn campus. All you need is a few prepared ingredients, some kitchen essentials, a bowl, 10 minutes to spare, and suddenly people are calling you Gordon Ramsay. Yep, donut! I better hurry, my next class is only 5 stops away. Before we get started, mess-free, woo! The noodles, of course. This is one of those things that I don't need to know. I'm happy to just eat it, and whatever's inside. Not sure the nutritional value of peas, but they're green, so that's always a good sign. My favorite chefs, Gordon Ramsay, of course. However, we're not gonna channel much of Hell's Kitchen today because we are respectful of the other residents on the train, of course. Yep, donut! Yep, enjoy, you can have some. You can have some later. I'm sharing today. All right, let's get one big scoop of this. Oh. Now, this is the tricky bit, but it's nothing we can't handle. Let's separate the soup base from the noodles. It's all about the textures and consistencies. Time to add our peanut butter in. If you get a little bit of an arm workout, that's okay. So I'm just getting my plate ready. And what we can do, wow, using our utilities from right around us, lovely. Hunger level, 11 out of 10. I'm about to devour this. Just trust the process, guys. We're getting there. I feel like 2-minute noodles are a very universal experience for all uni students, but this is a way to just level it up. This smells so good. I can't wait to eat it.
Now arriving at Glenferrie.
And they say couldn't be done. Well, how y'all like me now? Wow, that 10 minutes went by really fast. And I'm still early for my next class. I'm gonna go somewhere nice to finish this. These are not your average 11 p.m. instant noodles. I'm actually really proud of myself for making this. For instant noodles, I don't even feel bad about myself at all. I should clean the train more often. No dirty dishes to clean up. Lasagna, Maybe pizza. Pizza's a good one. Souvlaki, oh yum, I love souvlaki. Maybe even